everybody, today I'm here for my second ever visit to Europa-Park, first time in 2 years, and I'm here for Voltron. I'm so excited. Obviously it opened in April, but this is my first chance I'm getting to come and ride it for the first time, so I wanted to do a full dedicated video to my first impressions. I'm really excited. Obviously I've got the chest mount on here. I'm a proper professional these days. Yeah, I'm really excited. I did the whole walk here from my hotel. I'm staying off site. If you want to know where I'm staying, check out the travel vlog. But yeah, so I walked all the way here and I saw it as I was walking past. I'm really excited. So yeah, I've been here for a few hours, but the sun is going to set soon, so I want to get my first ride in the daytime first. Oh my god, oh wow. Yeah, I want to get my first ride in the daytime first, and then I'll do night rides later on. Park's open till 7 today. It's just about to turn 4, I think. So yeah, I'll get plenty of time for night rides. Oh, I'm just so excited to be here. I'm finally getting on this ride. I've been so excited. Oh my god, like hang time looks a bit crazy. This is such a nice area as well. So when we visited back in 2022, they were just building Croatia. They didn't have Voltron at all. It wasn't even announced at the time. So yeah, I'm really excited. The lighting looks crazy. This looks crazy. Woo! Oh, I can't wait. Okay, let's head inside. Also, it's on a 15-minute wait. They do have single rider, and I will be utilising the single rider later in the trip. But since it's my first ride, I'm going to go in the normal queue because I want to, you know, experience the queue. Because I have seen videos. I watched a few opening day vlogs, and yeah, the queue looks really cool in itself. So I need to see that. Anyway, yeah, join me. I'm really excited. Woo! Let's go. Okay, I've switched you to the chest mount. Main entrance, 15 minutes, let's go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Here we go. All of this here. Little look round. Is that the brake one, or is that when it goes into the second part? I don't know. Wow. Okay, 15 minutes looks accurate. I don't mind that I have to wait though, because I want to experience the full queue. I don't know, I could be being silly now and single rider does experience the full queue, but yeah, I'll just wait, I don't mind. I'm excited for when that light show happens in the ceiling. Oh wow, so excited. Oh, okay, I must have known this, but I definitely forgot. We've got lockers, so that's cool. Oh wait, isn't that where they show the train go? They got small pods in here too. Oh yeah. Oh, it's already disappeared. Okay. Oh. Look at that. Okay. I hope I get to see the light show at some point, like in the ceiling. I don't know how often it happens. Okay, I'm already going into the locker bit. Okay, I put my stuff in the locker. I'm 140. Should remember that. I show the round number. Oh, look at the train that's going in there. Can you see it? Wow, the way that this is basically walk-on is so exciting. I think actually it was quite a good idea to come when I have come. Well, annoyingly, guys, I just missed the show up there, but I'll have to catch it when I come back round and I'll show you. But it was very cool. It's very loud. Anyway, we're up the stairs now, as you can see. How much more have we got? I don't know. Up here around. Okay, we go back on ourselves and then I'm not sure. But here's a look overall. Very, very cool. though you can't queue for front row, which is a bit upsetting, as I would have done that, but that's fine. Just keeps moving. Very cool. I don't think we'll be front row, but that's fine. I'm just excited to get on. It'd be nice to have a front row queue though. I feel like a lot of rides don't do that anymore. I know they're front row on Blue Fire. I don't remember Silver Star. Alright, let's see. Are we getting straight off? Okay, I'm on row 3. Oh, I got an outside seat. Cool. Hey guys, I hope the angle's okay. First experience on Voltron. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm on row 3 outside. Woo! Oh, did you go straight into it? Oh no. Oh my gosh, okay. My hair just went everywhere, sorry guys. I must say, this outside seat is very bumpy and my hair's going everywhere. So that's fine. I've heard about the bumpy seats. Hopefully it's just this one outside. Okay, part 2. Sorry, my hair covered the POV. Okay, I think we're backwards on this bit. My hair. My hair just went absolutely everywhere. Okay, that's the end. I don't know how that POV came out because wow, that was a lot. Alright, based on that one ride and that one ride alone, that was crazy. So obviously I was on the 3rd seat on the end, and what they say about the rattle is very true. You do get absolutely thrown around. All the elements are amazing. The hang time, that first one that it's doing now, crazy. That's a crazy way to start a roller coaster, to be honest. Yes, it was a lot. It definitely was a lot. My hair, you could tell that by the way my hair was just going everywhere, because my hair was behind my back, so for it to go in front of the camera, I literally was like got thrown. So yeah, overall, very enjoyable. I would like to sit on the inside. I don't think I will be able to do that, considering I'm a single rider, but you never know. If there's a 2 and then I get put on, I could get a inside seat. Or maybe it's just that train, maybe it's just that row, I don't really know. But yes, definitely was a bit of a crazy ride. Very fun though. Yeah, I think my favourite elements, let's just turn it around, was that hang time that I was talking about. I really did like this. Oh, nice timing. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, as I said, crazy way to start a ride. And also the interaction with the other train is pretty good. Like, you do cross over a few times, so that's nice. To be honest, all of it was pretty crazy. I think I'm gonna have to have a ride off of camera so that I can hold on because I was holding on to the camera just because I knew it was shake around a bit because the ride is shaking. So I couldn't hold on, which is why I was getting thrown around so much. Kind of gave me very similar vibes, like in terms of the way that you get thrown around. But you can see their heads shaking when they're on the edge seat. Conda at Wallaby Belgium, and also Velocicoaster. Different types of rides, or maybe it's just the trains that are different and the ride itself is the same, I'm not sure. But I'm not very good on like types of coaster, so I don't really know. But yeah, the way that you were just flung around was crazy, but very, very good, very enjoyable still. For a minute I was like, whoa, like this is a lot. Not in a bad way as such, but yeah, that end seat is definitely rattling. Maybe it was just the train I got, because I heard some people saying like, oh no, it's not rattly for me, and then yes, it is rattly. I don't know. Anyway, first impressions only. I'm now going to go have another ride. I'm not going to film it this time unless obviously I get front row, and then I will film. But yeah, let's go have another ride, see how this feels, and then I'll come back with my thoughts, and then soon it'll be time for a night ride. Well guys, I said I wasn't going to film, but I got a front row being on single rider, so I'm definitely filming. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It might be dark out now, I've waited quite a while to be honest. officially nighttime at Europa-Park. It was a nice surprise when I came off that front row and saw Euromir lit up like that. That's so nice. Yeah, let's talk about my review now. I've had 2 rides. So, I will say the front was very fun. I was on the left side now, so I was on the right first, then I was on the left. It was less rattly on that one, so I don't know if it's the car, the row, the side, I don't know. Yes, I feel like a little review on single rider, unless it's very busy, just go in the normal queue, because you are waiting for a long time. I got lucky with front row, and luckily I had my camera set up, otherwise I wouldn't have got that POV. So yeah, sorry I wasn't talking in it. It's because I wasn't sure. Obviously there's no queue for front row, so I wasn't sure if I'd get the chance to do a front row again, so I wanted to get a clear POV of it, so hopefully it came out okay. I'd definitely say my favourite part, well, one of my favourite parts is the beginning, and also it's just so, this whole area is so beautiful to look at. Yeah, I like that. I like the backwards launch and the turntable. That's what they just come out now. Actually, going through that, it was reminded me that inversion there is very nice. I thought that when I was on the ride, I was like, oh, that's fun. It's not too forceful, it's just nice, a nice little loop. What else? Yeah, this it's the way that you hang for so long, and on the other hang time bit, it's just over there, can't really see it now, but yeah, crazy hang time. Also, it is just incredible how fast it is. Like, it just feels like you don't stop at all. Like, obviously until the turntable, like, you're just going. The only time you like really slow down is those hang time moments, so you're literally upside down. Yeah, it is really good ride. I think it is like very intense, I'll say, not forceful or whatever, just very intense. Obviously it is much more enjoyable for people that can hold on. This is the type of ride where you should hold on, because otherwise you are flung around a bit. In both my rides I have not held on. As I said, I'm holding the GoPro because even though I do have it tight to my chest like this, it is tight, but the way that we're hanging around, I have to like just hold it like this because I want a clear shot on the POV. So yeah, I just hold on to the GoPro there. So I will have another ride off camera and just see what the difference is. But yeah, I think it's just best to go in normal queue, especially when it's only a 15-minute wait. Like, we were just waiting for a really long time in that single rider queue. If the lights go off every 10 minutes, then we were in there for just under 40 minutes, because yeah, the little light show, like, you know, the electricity show, that went off 3 times while we were there, and I believe it's every 10 minutes. Whoa. Yeah, so I will just go in the normal queue now, and I need to actually film the little electricity show because I still haven't been able to get a chance. Every time it went off, I was in a bad place, so I haven't been able to film it at all. But yeah, there's my review. I will, like, it is definitely crazy. Would I call it a favourite? No, just because, well, so far I still only had 2 rides on it, and I've still got 3 days here, so I'm gonna have another ride now, just because, why not? It's not very busy, and it might be busy in the next few days, so I might as well make use of it while I can. But yeah, it is just, oh, also completely forgot at the start, the like drop track element, although it's not a drop track, I'm not sure what you call it, trick track maybe, where it goes upside down and shakes you. That didn't happen in my first ride of it, so that was really cool. The way that it like bounces you up and down like that, wow, that was really cool. Actually, that is one of my favorite parts. So this whole opening section, and then what do? You flip over there, and then you go down. Yeah, the first opening bit is just really, wow, really fun, really intense. Yeah, that obviously they like can program it to not happen. I don't know if it's because of capacity or it just wasn't working, but they can still get the ride to work. That's very good that, like, if that bit isn't working, then the ride can still go. But yeah, it was so cool how you just bounced up and down like that. I've never really been on anything like that before. Ooh. yeah, anyway, there's enough of me talking for now. I'm gonna have another ride, and that won't be fully dark now because it has gotten dark in the time that I've taken these shots. I just stood up there. That's where the little viewpoint is up there. Just had a look over there. But yeah, gonna have another ride in the dark, and then I'm gonna leave it for Rise today. And I've got 2 more days to enjoy it. But there's my thoughts so far. I just came off my 3rd ride. I just thought I'd have a look in the merch shop now, just before I give you another little review. Got some little cups here. Snow globes are quite cool. This logo is not my favourite, like you can't really tell. It would be nicer if it said Voltron in it than this little logo, but this logo seems to be in quite a lot of places. And then we got the, see look, the logos are all on it, but it says Voltron on the back, which is nice. I'm seeing a few people wear a nice black hoodie.
Der Zug fährt los.
This one?
Attention, le train va partir. Attention please, the train is leaving.
I don't know what this means when they keep saying the train is leaving. I don't know what that means. But look, so you've got the logo on the back, here. But then on the back, it's got the logo, which looks really nice. But I don't know if I'd buy it actually because of the front. It's a bit boring on the front. If someone could tell me what that means, the train is leaving, I really would like to know because it keeps happening. Got these ones. It's got anything on the back? Yeah, it's just got the Voltron logo on the back as well. I don't want to unfold it. Backpacks. The hats are quite cool. I feel like this logo looks very... It's nice to have a like discreet logo, but it's just very like, what even is this? You know what I mean? I don't know though. Got some merch for the Croatia area as well. Oh, that's quite cool. It's got Ed in the O and the I. Nothing on the back. What's the price of that hoodie? Let me have a look. Oh, 80 euro. Well, 75. 75 euros for that. It does feel like nice quality. It is only printed on though. It's a shame. I would buy that if that was either on the front or if that was just it, but I don't know. I don't really like the logo of Voltron. I like the full written logo. Right, let's head out. All the rest just got some random, like, I guess for the Croatia area, little plates and stuff like that. Pictures are, online pictures are pretty cheap in here. They're £6.50, so that's quite nice. Let's give you my thoughts. So I just got the third row, but I did get a second seat in, so I wasn't on the end. And I don't know if it was the mixture of me holding on or just the fact that I was in that seat, but I did retto a lot less. Also, I did do single rider again, so I just got lucky with that. And I didn't wait half as long. I was going to go in the general queue, but it actually is quite long, so it's 25 minutes now. So I thought I might not have, because the time is 6 o'clock, so I've only got an hour left until it closes. I'd say overall it is very, very enjoyable, very fun. It's just a lot. It is very intense. I think we knew that already, but yeah, that first bit, and when it does that, like, I think it is called Trick Track. I don't know, I might be making that up, but that's really cool at the start. Yeah, I definitely do prefer an inside seat. I'd have to get an outside one and hold on again. I'd just to see. Oh look, they're sending out some empty trains. Oh, it's not going to go past now, is it? But that train was empty. Anyway, yeah, so it was very, very enjoyable. I'm very happy that I got on Voltron overall. I don't think it could be in my top 10. It's not a top 5. It's just a bit, the kind of intensity kind of outweighs the elements for me just a little bit. I might be getting old. Who knows? Maybe if you asked me 2 years ago, my review would have been different. But I like ones where obviously I love lap bars, but I just like ones where even though you're wearing a lap bar, you're not like falling out, which is why I really enjoy Hyperia, because you're wearing lap bars, but the seat design, obviously it like encloses you, and that's just really nice because you're not like really like going like whoa. So yeah, but overall very, very enjoyable. That yeah, and I'm very just grateful that I got on it. And oh my god, that background. Yeah, very happy that I got on it. And here's the empty train. So quiet with no one on it. Yeah, overall very fun. I think my ultimate seat would probably be a inside front row. Obviously I've only been on it 3 times, 2 times on third row, 1 time on front row. But being on the inside, it was just that little bit more comfortable. I think also because on the outside the seats are kind of tiered up a little bit more, so maybe that adds to it. Maybe it is just the fact that some trains rattle and some trains don't. I've heard a lot of different things, so I don't know for sure. But yeah, there's my final thoughts there. Okay, so there's my thoughts. So thank you all for joining me for yet another first thought video. It's quite fun doing these first thoughts. I like to have dedicated things, especially when it's a ride where it's like really been like highly anticipated. So got Baron, Hyperia, and now Voltron. I mean, all 3 I wanted to do for such a long time. So I'm really, woo! That's cool as well. The lighting design is really cool here. But yeah, there's my final thoughts. I may address it again in the day 2 and day 3 vlog. I'm here for 2 more days, so obviously I'm going to be having more rides on it. I'm going to leave it for tonight because I still need to get through a few more rides today. Got an hour left till park closes. But yeah, very, very much enjoyed. A little bit rattly on some seats, but overall just a really amazing ride. The elements in there are crazy. And yeah, that first bit just behind me there, that's my favourite part. So thank you all for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye!